Hello again, this is Jeff with Centerbeam Construction. I'm here at Hollywood Avenue, one of our, I think it's a pretty grand project, with Christina, homeowner.
We just felt like we were outgrowing the house, and the kitchen was just disgusting. It was really embarrassing. So we wanted an additional bathroom. We needed a total redo of the kitchen. We needed more closet space. I actually tell people I can't decide because we love everything. I mean, everything was such an improvement. I'll be in the kitchen, I'm like, I love my kitchen. The shower is amazing. It was a bit of a splurge, but it's got the rain. Yeah, it's got the, the rain shower and everything. We just love that. But no, I love the counter. The cabinetry is beautiful. We're excited not to have the washer and dryer in our kitchen anymore. So to have a dedicated room for that. We love having a walk-in closet, and I think being able to see, all the way through. When you walk in the front door, you can see all the way through to the backyard. And we really love when we're in bed and we have all those new windows and the sliding glass doors to be able to see all the greenery. I don't know, we love everything. So having the homeowner on site all the time, I don't know how frustrating that was.
I think,
or not, but
I think when I see it in the end of it, I'm like so thankful somebody was there, because there are several times that you have changed something. You go home. I mean, you come home from work and you guys go, no, we really don't want that. That's great. I'd much rather know that.
Yeah.
So in my estimation, it was great, because any other avenue to get information from a homeowner is great.
Yeah.
And when you have the homeowner to ask,
okay.
You can't beat that. So would you say that like small details and how the contractor takes care of those is pretty important?
Yeah, I think open communication. I like being informed before something's going to happen, as things are going to be happening. And that was part of why I think we selected Centerbeam. So it's just always been really good communication with Centerbeam, following up, do you have any questions, trying to be really thorough in planning it out. I mean, I could go on and on about everything I love about the house. I mean, it was such an improvement.